Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's eye makeup tutorial is very captivating and inspired by Pinterest makeup trends. I have shown you step by step how to create this amazing makeup look using the Cut Crease technique and the combination of Blue Eyeshadow and gold glitter. So if you want to give this makeup a try, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. I use a light shade of Blue Eyeshadow and blend it towards the outer corner of my eyelid using a fluffy brush or a blender brush. I blend it well using sweeping motions to eliminate any harsh lines or patchiness. Then I continue applying the eyeshadow to the crease area and extend it towards the inner corner of my eyelid. Make sure to blend the crease area well with a blending brush to ensure there are no visible lines. Next, take your favorite concealer and use a small flat brush to perform the Cut Crease technique. I start by applying the concealer from the beginning of my eyelid, following the natural crease of my eye and extend it towards the center. It can be a bit challenging at first, so it's important to avoid applying too much concealer. Take your time and perform the Cut Crease technique carefully without rushing. Also, with practice and repetition, you will be able to improve each time you do it. I try to blend the concealer well in order to achieve a clean result. You can easily fix any harsh lines between the eyeshadow and concealer by using your finger to blend them together. This is the simplest way to eliminate any visible lines. Next, use a clean flat brush and apply a white or light eyeshadow over the concealer to brighten the color. You can choose the eyeshadows from your favorite eyeshadow palette, but in any case, I have provided all the product information in the description section, so feel free to check it there. Next, I use a yellow eyeshadow shade and apply it precisely in the center of my eyelid. The reason I chose this color is that I wanted to serve as a base to make the gold glitter pop and appear brighter and more golden. Just trust the process and take it step by step to complete the makeup look. Now it's time for the gold glitter. I apply the glitter precisely in the center of my eyelid using a brush exactly where I applied the yellow eyeshadow. It looks truly beautiful and radiant. Next, I apply a very small amount of this glitter to the center of my eyelid using my finger. This will give your eye makeup a touch of white glitter. I absolutely love it. I also apply this glitter using an eyeliner brush precisely along the upper edge of the cut crease. I really love this style of makeup. I complete my eye makeup by applying an eyeliner. Usually I extend the eyeliner to the center of my eyelid because it suits the shape of my eyes. However, you can extend it to the beginning of your eyelid based on your personal preference. I use pink and black eyeshadows for my lower lash line. First, I apply the pink shade from the outer corner of the lower lash line towards the center. Then I deepen the color by adding the black eyeshadow to make it darker. Then, for the inner part of the lower lash line, I use a yellow shade. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video so far. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below, or feel free to share it with your friends. Also, if you are interested in makeup and beauty, I upload tutorial videos every week, so to not miss any videos, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time.